Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get stairs for your garden in Grow a Garden. So if you go to the cosmetic shop, you will see that there is a second tab here under fences. I think I purchased all of the fences that they had just now. Not just now, but they put out new fences and I think I purchased them all, so I really can't buy anymore. But basically, there's this glass staircase which you can purchase, round lantern, glass table. There's new glass items, which is new for Grow a Garden. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. That's how you can purchase stairs and add it in Grow a Garden. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.